Welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe. This is my mother's recipe for Butterfinger candy bars. This is a copycat recipe because Butterfinger candy bars are not sold in the EU. It turns out that Butterfinger candy bar, the company, uses corn syrup made from genetically modified corn, which is banned in the EU. So, well done. Whatever, it's fine, but I just means that you can't find them anywhere. You cannot find them anywhere. If you can sometimes get them directly imported to you, but you can't find them sold in Germany. My mother showed me a recipe of homemade Butterfinger candy bars, and I actually really love them, but then again, I am absolutely in love with peanut butter, so it might just be me, but I hope that you like them too. Let's get started.
Only a few ingredients needed. We need 2 cups or 400 grams of sugar, 1 cup or 225 milliliters of water, 3/4 cup or 180 milliliters of corn or rice syrup, 2 cups or 480 grams of peanut butter, 1 teaspoon baking soda. First, in a pot, combine sugar, water, and corn syrup. Combine and heat over high heat until mixture reaches hard crack, or 295 to 309 degrees Fahrenheit, or 146 to 154 degrees Celsius. If you need a tutorial on how to recognize the hard crack stage without a candy thermometer, see the tutorial in the card on the stages of sugar syrup. While the sugar syrup is boiling and coming to temperature, line a baking sheet with baking paper or butter it really well with butter or margarine if you don't have baking paper. Once your sugar syrup has reached the stage it needs to be, remove from the heat. Add baking soda and peanut butter. And mix with a spatula until combined. Pour the hot mixture onto a lined or greased baking sheet. Spread it around to be fairly even. Cut with a knife while still hot. Allow to cool completely. This step is completely optional, but if you want to, you can melt some milk chocolate to dip them in. My 4-year-old helped with this step. You can cut the marks again with a knife, or they should just break apart at the cut marks. These are really good even without chocolate. Sometimes parts can be crumblier than others. Then dip the pieces into chocolate and place on a sheet of baking paper to set up. You can dip half of them or dip the whole piece into chocolate. I dipped most of them halfway and then drizzled the tops with chocolate before allowing them to set up. These candy bars are firm enough to pick up, but easy to bite into. They're super flaky and really taste very similar to Butterfinger candy bars. I hope you love these as much as I do. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and now on TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.